Toyota MMT semi-automatic, trouble code P0500. It's vehicle speed sensor. What it means and what happens with the car? Car drive and suddenly it jumping from gear to another gear, or can stop. You stop, you turn off ignition, turn on and start again, it drive again. What it mean? How it working in this model? In this model we have 4 ABS sensor, and ABS sensor it is speed vehicle sensor. They working only 2 front ABS sensor for the gearbox. So it take signal from front ABS sensor, it go into ABS module, from ABS module it go into dashboard, and from dashboard it going to TCU, transmission control unit. And if one of this connection is problem, we have this trouble code. This is the one of the reason. And another reason, it can be that the one of the front wheel speed sensor, ABS sensor, not working properly. How to check it? And now I will show you. So I'm going to ABS module, ABS. I have those code in ABS, you see, rear, it doesn't interfere, not working, but he say this and this front make some problem. As let's check what exactly, which exactly from what side making the problem. I'm going to data list. I'm choose graph mode. I'm select front right and front left, and I'm start to drive. And let's check them must working together the same. Let's check. I'm drive. Okay. Oh, you saw that? You see? This sensor jump down. It's not okay, it's not working. And this is the reason why the gearbox turned off the gear. And what need to do? Need to resolve front right ABS sensor. Or you can disconnect it. Disconnect, and the car will take signal from the front left and will now make the problem. That's all.